Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video we would learn to solve a practice question, addition of two numbers using Python. So it is very easy. First we would understand what we are trying to do, and once we have understood it we would code it. So let's start. First let's understand what is the question. In the question we are given two numbers, okay? We are given two numbers A and B, okay? So what they are telling us, add these numbers, and once you have added these numbers, whatever answer you get, you need to return this answer, okay? So this is what is the question. So how we would do that? It is very easy. What we need to do is, we would just go to the function. In the function, I would declare a variable answer. After declaring the variable answer, I would tell in this answer A plus B would be stored. That means whatever the sum of A plus B would come would be stored in this variable answer. And now once I have the answer, I would return with that value. So this is how I would solve this question, and because we are doing it using Python, we just need to write these two lines, and once we have written these two lines, our code would be done. So let's do that. So first let me clean the screen and then let's solve the problem. Okay, now in the problem, see, it is mentioned that you have two numbers A and B, and with that your task is to just return the sum of them, okay? That is your task, like I just specified to you. So see, this is the function that is created for us, and in the function I already have A and B, right? So now what do I need to do? I need to create a variable answer, like I told you, answer. In this answer, I would store A plus B. Remember, A plus B is capital, so you need to store it in the capital form, okay? So I would write A plus B. Okay, once I have written it, then I need to return with this answer, right? So I would write return answer. Now be careful, by mistake I kept the caps lock on. So return answer. Now after doing this, I need to check if my answer is correct or not, right? So what I would do is, I would click on compile and run. See, it is over here. I would click on compile and run. So once I click on compile and run, it would test all the test cases, okay, initial test cases. Now see, the compilation is complete. It is passing the initial test cases. Now I will move to step number 2, where I would submit the problem. So let's submit it. Submit is also over here, okay? So submit the problem. Let's wait, it is checking it out. So see, all the test cases are passed. 150 out of 150 is passed. So that means my answer is successfully submitted. And I hope you have understood how to do it. It is very simple and easy. And thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.